guys, welcome to the Butterbean shop. This is Megan here. I'm going to be making winter candy apples cold processed soap today. And in here I have my oils with my white kale and clay and my powdered goat milk. Here I have my lye solution with aloe. It's made with aloe instead of distilled water, and Tussa silk and sodium lactate. And then I'm going to be using really red mica from Nurture, pink vibrance mica from Nurture, and then also titanium dioxide, that's from TKB. So let's go ahead and get started by mixing up my additives in my cool oils. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my lye solution now. Perfect. I'm going to give this a little mix, then I'll add my coconut milk. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my coconut milk now. So this looks good for now. I'm going to go ahead and split this off into colors. I'm going to mix it a little bit more once I split it off into colors. So that's why I only wanted to bring it to emulsification. I did not want to bring it to trace. Okay, let's get this mixed together. All right, so the majority will be white, but I will have some pink and some red. Okay. Oil now. Hopefully it does not discolor. It's not supposed to. It does not have any vanillin. And we'll stir this in. Or, uh-oh, got a little bit of ricing. Little bit of ricing. Got a little bit of ricing, actually a lot of bit of ricing. So let me go ahead and get my stick blender here. Get this ricing blended out. One thing I hate is ricing. It looks like curdled milk. You don't want that in your soap. It changes the whole texture. I think I got everything out. Okay, cool. Now I'll get this one. And then I'll just get this for good measure. Okay. Scrape this off again. Here you go for the kind of finished product. Let me take this off. Okay, so here is the winter candy apple. I will bring you guys back for the cut tomorrow for me, but a couple of seconds for you. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Hi guys, this is Megan here. Welcome back to the cutting of winter candy apple. I've already unmolded this soap and I am going to, and I've already split it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these loaves here for you. It looks like it just, you know, yellowed just a teeny weeny bit, but not too much. So I'll go ahead and cut the end piece off here. I am so interested to see what this is going to look like on the inside. I did have some ricing with this fragrance, but you know, not too bad. I think I was able to stick blend most of it out. We shall see what the consistency of this bar is looking like. Oh, pretty. Looks like there's some kind of some seepage of fragrance oil. I'm assuming that's going to be reabsorbed But pretty swirls. I like it so far. See that, guys? I like it so far. All right. Pretty swirls. Pretty swirls. I like it. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. I made a sugar scrub for this. A whipped sugar scrub. And I'm also going to make a lotion. Yeah, I'm also going to make a lotion for this. Either a lotion or a body cream or a body butter. So it can come in a set. And I also have wax melts for this. So this will be a gift set for you to purchase. But it's so pretty. I like it. Don't know if I can do. Yep, there goes the matching the matching soap bar. But I love it. I love the swirls that came out just how I envisioned them to come out. I love it when a plan comes together, you guys. I just love it. So I'll go ahead and I'll finish cutting these, and then I will yeah, I'll finish cutting these, and I'll put some pictures up for you to see.